Welcome back to another tutorial on the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the pen tool. So the pen tool will allow you to create shapes, designs, or even straight lines in Adobe Illustrator. It's a really essential tool to have as a graphic designer. So I'm just going to come over here and hold and then select the pen tool. Now let's try and create a straight line. So click and then you drag it out and click at another point, and we've created a straight line. Now as you can see, I have this extension that's left and I don't know what to do with it. So if you want to get rid of it, just come back over here, click, and it's gone. So here we have our shape. You can actually adjust it from over here, that line. You can increase its size. So I'm just pressing on this. You can increase the stroke size. You can change the stroke color if you want. There we go. So that's one awesome thing you can do with the pen tool. Let's try creating a shape using the pen tool. So you take it, create anchor points. Let's close it off. So I'll select this. Now you can edit this however you want. If you want to change the fill color, you just come over here, select a different fill color. If you want to change the stroke color, again you can come and select one from here. You can even opt to reduce the size of the stroke. It's a bit too much. And here we have our shape from the pen tool. Now the really cool thing with the pen tool is that you can edit the shape after you've created it. So selecting it, I'll come and click over here and select the anchor point tool. So if we come and select this anchor point, if you click one, you can actually modify it. So there we go. As you can see, now we're modifying the shape. Let's try with this one as well. There we go. And as you can see, I'll just try and create this. It came with something like a height. But really, you can edit any shape you create with the pen tool. So create any shape, then select the anchor point tool. Select an anchor point, and you can edit it as you want. There we go. So go ahead and practice with the pen tool, create as many shapes as you can, try out different styles, try out different editing techniques, and see how it goes.